Example 2 for adding and subtracting fractions and mixed numbers. The first thing I want to look at are my denominators. Notice I have 4, 3, and 2. I need to get a common denominator, and I need to simplify these double signs. So I want to kiss the problem and find a common denominator. As I look at 4, 3, and 2, the first number that divides those all nicely, or they all divide nicely, would be 12. And so I'm going to say 8 and something over 12. Plus a negative can be simply written as minus 4 and something over 12. This last mixed number is already in simplest form, so I say minus 1 and something over 12. Now I need to change the numerators. So I say 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6. I'm going to split the problem into whole numbers and fractions, paying attention to the signs. So I have the whole number of 8, negative 4, and negative 1. Put my line here. And now I have a common denominator among my fractions, which is 12. And so I can say first mixed number was positive, so the fraction was positive here, positive 9. Second number was negative, so the fraction is negative, minus 4. Third mixed number was negative, so the fraction is negative, so I say minus 6. Now I want to simplify what I have. 8 take away 4 is 4. 4 take away 1 is 3. As I look at my fraction, my numerator in particular, 9 take away 4 is 5. 5 take away 6 is negative 1. Now here's an interesting spot. When I have a whole number and a fraction that don't match in sign, that's not my answer. I can't leave the answer that way. And so what I do, I'm going to have to borrow. And I like to set this up like borrowing money or making change. If I had $3 and I owed somebody, say, a nickel or whatever, I'm going to have to take my $3. I don't make change out of all of it. That would be crazy. What I do is I keep $2 for myself and I make change out of that third dollar. The change will always match your denominator. And so I'm going to make this 12 twelfths. You see, $2 and 12 twelfths is equivalent to saying you have $3. I bring this fraction down, negative 1/12. And we just call this the borrowing idea. Now I can do a simple operation here. 12 twelfths take away 1 twelfths would be 11 twelfths. So I can say 2 and 11 twelfths. Notice when I borrowed, the 2 is not going to change. It's a final answer. That's your final whole number. It's just the fractional part that we have to make appropriate. Notice that the whole number and the fraction are positive. That's what we're looking for. That's example 2 with borrowing included for adding and subtracting mixed numbers.